Hi Aiden, I wanted to show you in your math course to clarify about those green check marks. So when you go to your math course, and actually this is true for any of the courses. So you go to math and you click on module 1. So when we click on the Tuesday folder, when you click here, it says please complete 10 minutes of MobyMax Fact Fluency. So Aiden, as soon as you click on that, the green check mark appears, okay? But if you read the directions, it says to please complete 10 minutes of MobyMax. So if you've not done 10 minutes of MobyMax Fact Fluency, then you're not finished. So what the green check mark means is that the green check mark means you clicked and opened the page. It does not mean you've actually done the work, okay? So I get how the green check mark could be confusing, but what the routine is in any course, in any folder, when you click on the page, read the information that's on the page. If it said to do 20 jumping jacks, you would do 20 jumping jacks. If it said to make a list of your favorite foods in your notebook, you would make a list of your favorite foods in your notebook. So you are not complete with the task until you've actually done what it has said. The green check mark only means that you've clicked and opened the page. Okay, so when the directions say to please complete 10 minutes of MobyMax Fact Fluency, it says log into MobyMax using Clever, click on the books, then choose Fact Fluency tab. So you would need to do all of that to make sure that that's completed for task 1. Once you've completed MobyMax, then you come back to math, click next, and it says please watch the video below and copy practice examples into your math notebook. So as you're watching this video, you're going to be writing in your math notebook. Once you complete that work in your math notebook, you click next. It says please watch the video below to help you get started with your homework paper. After finishing the video, please complete 1 through 3 on the lesson homework page. If you'd like to try 4 and 5 to push yourself, that would be awesome. So here's another example, Aiden, of you've clicked on this and opened it and you're going to get a green check mark. But if you have not done any work on your worksheet, then you're not finished, okay? So the green check mark means you've opened it. After you open it, please read and follow the directions. If you have any questions, you can email me or Mrs. Twinter. Thank you.